Hello everyone. In the previous video, I told you how to set your about where you can write anything you want and the other person can see it. But we have to control who can see it. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you adjust the settings and control who can see your about section, whatever you have mentioned. Like in this, I have mentioned life is flowing. So who can see it? So let's go to the WhatsApp setting, and here we have to click on privacy, right? Once we click on privacy, there is a section of about which I just highlighted, right? You click on about. Right now, everyone whosoever has my contact and is going to WhatsApp to check my profile, the info area, they can see my about section. But if I particularly click on that, only my contacts, so whosoever I have saved can see it. But if I click on my contact accept, so in that case I can select some people whom I don't want to see my about section, right? So I've selected two of them, right? And I can remove them anytime I want, right? So as I selected two people, two contacts should not see my about section, I can remove one if I want. So I deselected it, and the red mark went away. And I can also click on nobody, that nobody can see my about section. Okay, now if you still don't know how to put your about section, like whatever you want to write, check out the previous video. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Tada.